Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Today we're talking about the Sweat wallet application and how we can exchange our Sweat tokens that we earned on Sweatcoin into real life money using the KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange application. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, go and check out my Sweatcoin review and my Sweat wallet review, which you can find in the description below. But if you don't want to do that, follow along because I'll try and explain it on this video in short. You guys are helping me get to 100,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. Let's kick this off. What you're looking at right here is the Sweatcoin application for all that do not know. So essentially you get paid Sweatcoins the more you walk on the Sweatcoin application. This little marketplace is where you can spend your Sweatcoins. What you can see on the screen right now is a premium gift card for a Panda Express gift card that's worth $50. For me to activate that, I'll need to buy the premium, everyone. And premium is not free, as you can see on the screen right now. It does cost real life money. Up until recently, the free users could only really use the marketplace for discounts on real world items. For example, for 10 Sweatcoins, I can purchase 50% off the F4 TWS earbuds from Tranya. You can find your balance at the top right corner of the screen. I have nearly 700 Sweatcoins. Every single 1,000 steps or so, you will generate one Sweatcoin. You can find my Sweatcoin download link in the description below, by the way, everyone. Alright, so now let's say you've generated a whole bunch of Sweatcoins. Now you head over to the Sweat wallet. I will also have a download link to the Sweat wallet in my description. Now this is the Sweat wallet. I currently have 442 Sweat tokens with only 24 available at the time of this recording. It will take 1,365 steps to generate one Sweat token. The cool thing about Sweat wallet is that you can actually invest your Sweat tokens within the application to grow them for free. You just have to sacrifice them for a certain period of time. An example is if I start off with 1,000 Sweatcoins and invest at 12% per year, I will then earn 120 Sweatcoins completely for free. I'm currently investing in the 12% per year plan. I'm growing 150 Sweat tokens, and so far I've only earned 0.35 tokens. But by the end of the year, I would have gained 17.89 tokens, which really is not that much in the grand scheme of things, but that's because my balance is relatively small. You may have a much bigger balance than I do. Now here is the prize draw section. As you can see, we have multiple different rewards that are becoming available to us the more that we actually invest our Sweat tokens. So I still need to grow, for example here, 124 tokens to unlock the USDT giveaway option. Now scooting along here, we can see a Sonos speaker. I still need to grow 54 tokens to enter into this giveaway. Now that you're kind of up to speed with the Sweat token, let's get into the real world value of it and how you can transfer your Sweat tokens into real world money. Now this is the website CoinMarketCap. Here we can see the Sweatcoin's real world value. It is almost at 2 cents worth of real world value there. Now granted, just like any other cryptocurrency token out there, it has taken a hard plunge, which is to be expected of course. So don't think you're going to be making serious money off your Sweat token. This video is more for people that actually want to try and convert the Sweat token into real world money. Now, this is the application you'll need to convert your Sweat tokens into real world money. It's called KuCoin. You can find a link for this in the description below as well. It literally only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to fully sign up to KuCoin and start investing, which is very impressive for a cryptocurrency exchange. Plus, when it comes to verification, I don't even think you need that to even start trading on the platform, which is again a very big positive. So everyone, this is the KuCoin application. It is very straightforward, okay? First of all, let's tap on the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where we can find all the tokens that we can actually start investing into. But for today's video, we're going to focus on the Sweat token. In the top right corner of the screen, you will find the magnifying glass. Here's where you can search for whatever token you want to look for. In this case, it's a Sweat token. So I type in Sweat, and there you go everyone, we have the Sweat and Tether pair. And there's the price of the token, which is almost 2 cents. Tapping on that will take us into a more in-depth trading view where you can actually chart the token, which I find very cool. Scrolling down, you can find all the open orders, but we won't worry about this area either. Going back to the main screen now, I want you guys to tap on deposit. Here is where we can actually deposit whatever token we want to that KuCoin supports. Of course, we're going to search up the Sweat token. So there we go everyone, get ready. It's going to ask you to select a network. Do not choose Ethereum, choose the Near protocol. Where this big blob is, you're going to find a QR code for your sweat deposits if you want to use QR code, or underneath that, you're going to find your actual wallet address for your sweat tokens to be deposited into. I'm going to tap the copy button and go back to the Sweat wallet. Alright, so now we're back on the Sweat wallet. I'm going to tap on the transfer button. I'm going to tap send. Now it's going to ask me to insert my username or wallet address where I want the sweat tokens going. I've now just pasted in that same address from KuCoin. It now states it's found a wallet with this name, and I have the tick of approval. I'm now going to tap continue at the bottom of the screen. This is where I can choose my available sweat tokens to be sent to that address. So I'm going to tap on the max button to send my whole balance to my KuCoin account. And there you go, everyone. It states that I have absolutely no fee either, which is great. I'm going to tap on continue now. Here is a summary of the transaction. I'm going to slide the confirm and transfer. Done. It says sending sweat. And now it states, congratulations, sweat sent successfully. So if I check my KuCoin balance, it should hopefully be updated. Let's give my balance a refresh. And there you have it, everyone. 25 sweat tokens are now available within my KuCoin balance, with a real world value of 65 cents. Now that your balance is updated with the sweat token, you can now transfer those tokens into real world value by tapping on transfer and searching for your local currency. It's literally as simple as that. If you guys are worried about using KuCoin, I wouldn't stress it too much. Two of my other friends here on YouTube, Mike from Paid From Surveys and Roop from Learn to Make Honest Money Online, also use this platform, and they had positive experiences with the platform from what I've seen. Thank you so much, guys. We're on the road to 100k. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review. See you next time.